You see a Hot Wheels vending machine
Oh, let's check it
in the
out.
mall.
Let's check it out. They didn't have this before. Cool. Look at that. Now how much are these? So look, these are the mystery treasures. Look at that purple one. Fast and Furious. Bobby would like that one. And the green one. Look at the green one.
Number 16 is a mystery.
Number 16.
It's $16.
$16.
No, $7.
$7.
$6.99.
Look at this white one here. These are exposed. Cool, right?
Yeah, yeah.